Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of DXY US dollar currency index. Yesterday when I recorded the video on Euro USD, it was somewhere around here, and I told you all that there is a possibility that DXY would take support and bounce. To be honest, I was also not expecting that kind of a big move, but yes, we got the big move yesterday on the chart of DXY, and yes, there may be some crazy volatility coming up today as well. There may be some extreme moves coming up today as well, because today is non-farm employment in NFP coming up. So NFP is a big event for the market. Almost all the USD pairs witnesses heavy volatility. So please be careful during the NFP. If you're wondering where to find the news, then you can go to any economic calendar, or you can simply go to forexfactory.com. As NFP brings extreme volatility, so my dear friends, if you're a beginner, new trader, try to avoid taking any US dollar positions during the NFP. And if you are in a very tight spot right now, you do not have much capital, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Try to close all your US dollar positions before the NFP. Okay, so right now DXY is standing at 112.74. This is the current market price, and right now the immediate resistance, or the next big resistance for DXY, is around 113.90 to 114 level. This is the next immediate resistance for DXY, and then we have the ultimate resistance around 114.75. These two are the big resistances on the chart of DXY right now. And do we have any good support on the chart of DXY? Not exactly, because you can see the best support on the chart of DXY is around 109, 110 level. These levels are quite far away, so I don't think so that market will come down to test this level, at least today. Okay, in case market requires support, then it may come down to 112.2530 level. Okay, but right now there is no strong support for the chart of DXY. Okay, so let's wait and watch how the market reacts. Please be careful during the NFP. Now let's have a look at the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD. So unlike the chart of gold, you can see that I have kept the chart of Euro USD very simple, because as you can see right now, good amount of selling pressure is going on the chart of Euro Dollar. As we all know, Euro USD is extremely bearish for the last couple of months, but here we saw some kind of recovery, but right now we can see that bears are back again. So personally, I feel that before the news, taking a buy position can be a high risk, considering the overall downside, or considering the overall selling pressure on the market. But see, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please, use your own analysis. You can use your own strategy. But what I feel is that if market breaks, this level 0.9730, if market breaks 0.9730 level, there can be a quick entry for a sell position. Okay, you can go for a sell position, and your immediate target will be around 0.9708. so you can see that we have a window of 20 to 22 pips only, because in this level we have seen market rejecting the price previously. So do not expect that without news before NFP, if market breaks also, the road will be very smooth. I think so. Okay, so if market breaks this level, you can go for a quick sell position, but try to exit here, or at least you can exit from 50% of your sell position and just watch the market. If you see market going down further, if you see market continuing the sell position, selling pressure, you can continue with the sell position. But if you take a sell position here, keep in mind this should be your first target. Okay, and during the NFP, okay, during the NFP, okay, in case market breaks this level, obviously these two levels will not be able to hold the market because of extreme volatility. In that case, you can expect the market to take support. Okay, you can expect the market to take support around 9650, 9630. 0.9650 to 0.9630. This can be a support during NFP. Okay, in case market shows extreme selling pressure, okay, market breaks these two levels, then you can expect the market to act as support, this level here. But before NFP, if market breaks this level, you can go for a quick selling position. Okay, on the other hand, if market goes up, if market goes up from here, then you can see that this is our first resistance, 0.989818 or 0.9820. This is our first resistance for the market. But again, this level is not a very strong resistance, because as you can see, the market is already in downturn, market is already witnessing good amount of selling pressure. So as per my opinion, okay, I think that sell on rise, okay, sell on rise is the best strategy whenever we see a market structure like this. So if market goes up before the NFP, okay, not after the NFP, before NFP, if you see market reversing from this level, 0.9820, 0.9815 level, if you see market is showing price rejection from above, then you can go for a sell position around this level, and you can expect a profit of 20, 30, 40 pips easily. But in case during the day, during Asian session or European session, if market shows good amount of bullishness and market breaks it, then obviously taking a sell position, okay, in this level is out of the question. But sell on rise, the strategy of sell on rise will be there, okay, and then you can expect the market to reverse from 0.9870 to 0.9850. 0.9850 to 0.9870. If market breaks this level here, then you can expect the market to reverse from this level here, considering the present ongoing selling pressure on the chart of Euro USD. Okay, and during NFP, okay, during NFP, in case you see market trending, DXY trending in a certain direction, then try to follow the trend. Do not try to go against the trend, because the most important thing in a market is following the trend. Market has only one rule, that is trend. Okay, apart from risk management, obviously. So following the trend is extremely important. Do not try to stand against the trend of the market in case you trade during the news. Okay, so these are the levels that I have discussed are before the news only. Okay, but during news, if market breaks the support here, then you can expect the market to reverse. If market reverses, then only take a buy position. Otherwise, sell on rise is the strategy that I would suggest to everyone, considering the present market structure here. So whatever it is, this is biased, I can be wrong as well, so please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, calculate the position according to the capital and stop loss. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.